Alright, this is Nathan Morley with another video on the LEGO Disaster Refuse Collector. This is showing really the last piece, which will be a last mechanical piece that will be added to the front end of this machine. So, right here we have a little device called the Modulator, which is hopefully something very few of you have seen, but it's pretty interesting. It's something I came up with a little while ago, but it's a way of mechanically controlling the speed of an electric motor. In this case, the four main motors here. Now, the reason this is necessary is because of the power these motors require, which one motor will very easily overwhelm the little circuit breaker inside the battery pack. So, four of them really won't be that good. And I'm also a little bit nervous about the power requirements for these motors actually burning out one of the little infrared receivers. So, what's going to happen is I'll actually have control over this motor here, which is connected to the governor, which extends this little piston here. The piston either extends or retracts, and then that's connected to the modulator here. Now, let me zoom in a little so you can see. But now the way this thing works is we have an M motor right down here. What that does is drives the little blue crankshaft down in there. That crankshaft is connected to this connecting rod here, which connects up to this arm here, which is hinged over here at the end of this second arm, which is hinged in the middle. Then at the middle of the first arm, we have a second connecting rod, which extends down to a second crank right down in there, and that is connected to the shafts of the two switches. So now the idea is that as this motor turns, this whole arm assembly is jiggling up and down, but it's also jiggling the switches up and down, and it's actually not connecting them at all. There's a little bit of a dead zone right in the middle, so as long as the throttle is in neutral, then nothing will happen. But as soon as you start adjusting it, like this, normally this would be all done automatically, you can see that arm starting to tilt, which corresponds to an increase in power going to the motors. So, then also with this arm, when it rocks one direction, that is throttling up and forward. In the other direction, it's throttling up in reverse. And as of yet, I have no idea which one is which. So keep watching. Hopefully I'll have a demonstration for you soon.